Yo, guys, it's pouring. It is pouring out here. Like, look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Get water. Get water on me. Yo, Jack. Help us. Help. Help. Oh my gosh. This is where God comes from. This is where God comes from. This is where God comes from. This is where God comes from to help us. Let's get inside. I'm not trying to die. Like, look at this. Like, look at all this. Like, I'm about to die or something? What's this door? Jesus Christ. Which one is the lights? No. Yo, I just got home from after school. And then it's pouring rain. It's going crazy on me. I'll leave my shoes right there. Actually, put them here. Shoes. It's pouring rain. Wait. Why not the freaking thing? No, I'm going upstairs. Yo. Somebody here? Somebody right here? Jesus Christ of the Lord, have mercy of Christ of Jesus Christ. Look at this. Are we dead or something? Look at the friends. She parked. Like, look at this. My mom's over across the street, right there. Like, look at this. It's a big ass heavy rain. Oh, I love it though. I love it so much.
Standing behind each job with the nation's best warranty. Our windows simply last longer, and we know it. How?
I can't believe this
Because
rain is
we
going
build them and
crazy
we
as hell.
install them. Your windows are the most exposed part of your home. You need a strong window that's built to last. We just tested the windows of one of our first customers, and this is what we found. Renewal by Andersen Windows still operate and function smoothly with little to no maintenance after
Like early today was fine.
and the cherry on top.
Early today was
It's
fine when I
still
went
beautiful.
somewhere
But
today.
let's be clear,
And
you're
now
not going
it's
to get these
an
anywhere
apocalypse of
store.
rain.
Even contractors can't get them. The only way you're going to get true Renewal by Andersen windows and doors is by contacting us directly. We take care of everything from start to finish. And the best part is all included in one price.
I
You
love
know
it. Let it
your
rain all
house.
night.
You know
Let it rain go.
who needs them.
Let it rain go.
Before October 31st, try one window or door and get the next one 40% off with no money down, no payments, and no interest for an entire year. Call today to schedule your appointment. Don't wait. 1-800-929-5959.
This portion of the news is brought to you by the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation. Visit dec.ny.gov to find ways to help stay safe, respectful, and responsible outdoors.
We are in the thick of the worst weather that we will see across Long Island today over Nassau County and moving into western and central Suffolk County pretty soon, too. So a flood advisory continues for Nassau County until just before 6 o'clock this evening. Around an inch, half inch to an inch of rain's already fallen, and there could be another 1 to 2 inches before we start to get the western edge of the worst of this heavy rain and thunderstorm
Crazy.
east of Nassau County.
So
It'll
crazy
take
out there.
a couple of hours though. So over towards Oceanside, Freeport, Hempstead, North Belmore, you're under torrential tropical-like downpours right now. There could be some quick ponding still
Let's
over
end
towards
this
Great Neck,
video
Kings
because it's
Point, over
going
towards
crazy as hell.
Plaza and Manhasset, torrential downpours
My
with rainfall rates
gosh.
anywhere from around a half inch to an inch per hour, even some locally higher
Why
amounts
you-
than that.
like,
so
I
all
love
this
the
moderate to
rain.
heavy rain along the LIE and Nassau
Love it
County
so
right now will
much. Like, I
continue
love the
eastward
rain.
into Suffolk.
Thank you,
And
Jesus.
it's
Like,
gonna go between
look at
5
this.
and 8 o'clock
Look at
in
this.
Suffolk County. That's going to be the worst weather.
Like, look at this. Look at this.
East of the Farmingville area right now in
Look,
Suffolk
this is
County.
where we live right here on Long Island, Roosevelt, whatever. And watch this. Watch me. Watch me.
Weather today. We've seen the wind gust all day between 30 and close to 50
Thank you,
miles per
Jesus.
hour. So I
Thank
already
you.
have thousands
Thank you,
of power
Jesus.
outages across Long Island,
Thank
down
you.
trees and wires, and unfortunately,
That's how I pray for Jesus. That's how I pray for Jesus. Alright. Gonna end the video. Look at this.
5 or 6 o'clock, the worst is in Nassau County.
Look at this.
Suffolk, you're next,
Shit.
and between around 5 and 8 o'clock, that's when the worst of the moderate
I love
rain
it.
and
I'ma smack it.
winds up to even 50 or 60
Hey, yo, what the
miles per hour
freak?
throughout Suffolk County. And after 8
Look at this.
o'clock,
Look at Saturday. It's gonna be
we'll
cold.
start
Look at
to
this.
calm down. So right
I
now,
love the cold. I don't like that.
some ponding of water, we really have to slow down. If you can avoid drowning during this
See
winter,
ya
that's your best bet.
in the next one, because I ain't
Branches
trying to
and
die.
wet leaves are on the road too.
Guess what, guys?
Travel even more slippery.
Tomorrow I'm not gonna make no videos or vacation. Because tomorrow's Halloween. I love Halloween. I gotta look at this. Look at this. Look at all this. I wonder when it's gonna get cold again. Look at this. Alright, good night. Good night. Good night.